Hello, welcome to Airstream of South Florida. We're a subsidiary of North Trail RV. I'm Todd Utzman here with my partner Tony French. We're real excited to talk about the big sale going on starting right now and running right up till about the middle of the month here. It's going to be really some awesome deals, just like the Airstream here, the 33 Classic. One of the best buys money can get for its size and class. It's got one of the biggest awnings in the industry, made of umbrella, nice beautiful boat fabric. Tony can tell you a few more things about this great deal and this great sale.
Hey folks, the Airstream Classic comes with 40-pound propane tanks. Nobody else is doing that. Power awning like Todd mentioned. Power jacks front and back. Also has Michelin tires. Try that on for size. Todd, take it away.
It's also got a beautiful Infinity marine grade floor that works really good, extremely durable, or it wouldn't be on a saltwater sport boat.
How about a power tilt queen bed with 2 power recliners and a 65-inch projection screen TV? Tell them some more, Todd.
Remember, this sale goes on from now until the middle of the month. Airstream of South Florida, North Trail RV, right here in Fort Myers, Florida.
I'm Derek Wolf Weekly.
And I'm Bruce Tall Guy Miller, standing in front of a brand new Airstream Interstate Grand Tour with 50 first-in-class features.
And I'm in front of a lounge which has 4 front seats, has a power sofa that makes into a king bed.
Come and see us at sunny Fort Myers.